Welcome to Science Biology. Today in this video I will discuss about MCQ of microbiology. Question 1. Microscope is used for option A to see the small living things. Question 2. What is magnification in microscope? Answer. To see the microorganism structure which are not visible to naked eyes. Question 3. In light microscopy, specimen is seen by using option B, light. Question 4. Which microscope used for routine microscopic work? Option B, bright field microscopy. Question 5. In bright field microscope, microscopic area is dash and microorganism appear as. The correct answer option C. Microscopic area is light and microorganism appear as a dark. Question 6. Dash is used as a light source in fluorescence microscope. Option C. Mercury lamp. Question 7. In fluorescence microscope, specimens stain with. Answer fluorescent dye. Question 8. Which is the role of what is the role of barrier filter in fluorescent microscope? Answer. Block the blue light and allow the green light. Question 9. Which microscopy is used for studying living unstained cell? Option C. Phase contrast microscopy. Question 10. In diagnostic technique, which microscope is mostly used? Option B. Phase contrast microscope. Question 11. Which microscope is used for examination of virus? Option C. Electron microscope. Question 10. Which is the differential staining? Option B. Gram staining. Question 13. Which of the following organelles is responsible for motility of bacteria? Option C. Flagella. Question 14. Flagellar motor is driven by. Answer. Proton motive force. That means force derived from electric potential and hydrogen gradient. Question number 50. Monotrichous means. Option A. Single polar. Question 15. Monotrichous means single polar flagella. A single polar flagella is called lopotrichous. A single or cluster of flagella at both ends is called amphitrichous, and cell surrounded by flagella is called peritrichous. Question 16. Which of the following is helical shaped bacteria? Option C. Spirochetes. Question number 17. Periplasmic flagella is responsible for motility of. Option A. Spirochete. Question 18. Some motile bacteria move towards chemical compound is called. Option B. Bacterial chemotaxis. Question number 19. Which of bacterial structure is responsible for human infection? Option A. Fimbriae pili. 20. Which of the following organelles is visualized by light microscopy? Option B. Capsule. 21. What is the function of capsule? D. All of above. Protection, block attachment of bacteriophage, and anti-phagocytic. Question number 22. Bacteria from face, water, and marine environment are enclosed by hollow tube is called. A. Option A. Cell. 23. Dash is a rigid structure that gives shape of cell. Option D. Cell wall. 24. Peptidoglycan is found in both eukaryote and prokaryote. 25. A derivative of mycolic acid is. Answer. Code factor trihalose dimycolate is responsible for disease caused by Corynebacter diphtheria. 26. Cell wall of archaeobacteria made of option B protein and glycoprotein. 27. Cell wall of gram positive bacteria made up of answer peptidoglycan. 28. Cell wall of gram negative bacteria contain phospholipid protein and lipopolysaccharide. 29. O antigen present in option B gram negative bacteria. 30. Which of the following protein can be removed by destruction of the membrane? Option A integral protein. 31. Is the site of generation of ATP by using proton motive force in microorganism. Option C cytoplasmic membrane. 32. What is protoplasm? Answer a cell without cell wall. Protoplasm cell is prepared by treating gram-positive bacteria with selective enzyme like lysosome, which dissolve the cell wall. Question 33. What is spiroblast? A cell without cell wall. But for preparation of spiroblast, we are using gram-negative bacteria instead of gram-positive bacteria. Question number 34. Which of the following is not found inside the eukaryotic nucleus? Option D centrosome. 35. Which of the following organelles are found in bacterial cell? Option B mesosome and ribosome. 36. Is involved in DNA replication and cell division in bacteria. Option B central mesosome. 37. Which subunit of ribosome are present in prokaryotes? Option B 50S and 30S and 16 and 40S is present in eukaryote. Question number 38. Which of the following substance detectable in cytoplasm of bacteria? Option B metachromatic granules. 39. Which stain is used for metachromatic granules? Option B methylene blue. 40. Which stain is used for polysaccharide granule? Answer iodine. 41. Which stain is used for nucleotide in bacteria? Answer Feldkuhn stain.